Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
My name is Mona. What's your name?
I'm Khaled.
I'm from London. And you?
Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Germany. What do you do?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm an engineer. How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
I'm 30. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. It's very interesting.
That's great. What are your hobbies?
I like reading and traveling.
Nice. I like sports and music. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. See you later.
See you. Hello, Mona.
Hi, Khaled. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Come in, please.
Thanks. Your house is nice.
Thank you.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am. Why?
I'd like to invite you to a restaurant.
Really? That sounds great.
There is a nice restaurant nearby.
What kind of food do they have?
They have Italian food and grilled dishes.
I like Italian food.
Perfect. Let's go then.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to the market today.
That's a great idea.
Do you need to buy anything?
Yes, I want to buy some clothes and gifts.
Perfect. I also need a few things.
Wow, this market is very big.
Yes, it has many shops.
I like the atmosphere here.
Me too. It's very lively.
Let's go into this clothing store.
Sure, go ahead.
Hello, can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a dress. What size do you need? Medium, please. This dress looks beautiful.
Yes, it really suits you.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
I like it. I will buy it. That will be $80.
Good choice.
Here you are.
Let's go to the gift shop.
Yes, I want to buy souvenirs. Hello, what are you looking for? I want something special. How much is this bag?
It's $25.
I'll take it.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Let's get some food. What do you want to eat?
Maybe a sandwich and juice.
Sounds good.
Today was really fun. Thank you for coming with me.
Yes, I enjoyed it. You're welcome.
Let's go back home now.
Okay, let's go. Today was a really nice day, and I enjoyed spending time with you.
Yes, it was fun, and I feel very happy.
I'm glad we went to the market together.
Me too, it was a great idea.
Are you tired now?
A little, but I'm okay.
Let's sit in this cafe and have some coffee.
That sounds good.
Good evening. What would you like? 2 coffees, please.
And a small dessert. This place is very calm.
Yes, it's nice to relax here. Hello, I don't feel well.
Hello, what's the problem?
I have a headache and a fever.
Hello, how are you feeling?
I feel tired and sick.
You need some rest and medicine.
Okay, thank you.
Get well soon.
Thank you. Hello, I have a prescription.
Hello, let me see it, please. Here is your medicine.
How do I use it?
Take 1 pill twice a day.
Okay, thank you.
Get well soon.
Thank you. Hello, Omar. I came to visit you because I was sick yesterday. Hi, Khaled. I'm glad you came. I hope you feel better now. Yes, I went to the hospital and got some medicine, and I feel better now. That's good. You should rest and take care of yourself. Would you like some tea or something to drink? Yes, tea would be nice, thank you. Here is your tea. I hope it helps you feel comfortable. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I think I should go home now and get some rest. Okay, take care and see you later. See you, Omar.
Goodbye, Khaled. Excuse me, can you help me find the bus station?
Yes, of course. It's not far from here. How can I get there? Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light. Is it far from here? No, it's about 5 minutes on foot.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You too. Hello, is this your first time here? Yes, it's my first day at the gym. Welcome! Do you need any help? Yes, I don't know how to use these machines. No problem. I can show you how to use them safely. Thank you, I appreciate that. Start with light weights and take it slow. Okay, that sounds good. Don't forget to warm up before you start. Yes, that's important. Good luck with your workout today. Thank you, see you around. Excuse me, I'm lost and I can't find the bus station. No problem, I can help you. How can I get there from here? Go straight for 2 minutes, then turn right. Is it far from here? No, it's very close, about 5 minutes. Will I see any signs on the way? Yes, you will see a big sign near the station. Thank you so much for your help. Have a nice day. You're welcome, you too. Excuse me, which platform is for bus 12? Bus 12 leaves from platform 3. Thank you. Is it leaving soon?
Yes, it will leave in 10 minutes.
Do I need to buy a ticket here? How much is the ticket? Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can buy it at the counter over there. It's $15. Yes, you can.
Great, thank you. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. You're welcome. You too. Excuse me, is this seat free? Yes, it's free. Thank you. Does this bus go to the city center? Yes, it does. How long will it take to get there? About 20 minutes. Tickets, please. Here you are. Thank you. Is this your first time here? Yes, I'm still learning the routes. Don't worry, it's easy once you know the places. I hope so. I will tell you when we arrive. This is your stop. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. You too.